Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we're going to unbox a Sichuan Airlines Airbus A350-900 XWB. This is the Panda livery. So that's a special livery of Sichuan Airlines. You can see here is the Panda, and this livery it's a colorful livery and it looks good. You see it's a colorful livery, and this is the Sichuan Airlines logo. It's a bird flying and some stripes, blue stripes. So the plane, as I already said, it's a very colorful livery and a unique one as well. So it's a very good model, good collectible. It's a 1/400 scale die-cast model by JC Wings. So as some of you already know, JC Wings models are highly detailed, and this is a fully die-cast metal model. It's quite heavy and everything. And this is a flaps down version, as you can see here. This is a flaps down version, which is a special offering of JC Wings in 1/400 scale. So here are some specifications of the aircraft, like the wingspan and the length and the height. And so the manufacturer is Airbus. Overall length is 66.8 meters, wingspan is 64.75 meters, height is 17.05 meters, number of engines 2, engine type Rolls-Royce Trent XWB. So anyway, now let's unbox the model. So the packaging is quite acceptable, in a 1/400 scale. So, and yeah, it's quite good packaging. I mean, there's not a chance of breaking the model, or any defects like any scratches, etc. if it's handled carefully. So here's the model at last. It looks awesome. So here's the model. And it's a flaps down model, as I already told you. So let's look at the model in more detail. So one thing I would like to tell you is that's why you can see here I have an Etihad Airbus A350-1000 by the same manufacturer, JC Wings. So the why am I showing this in this video? Because I've already unboxed this model in a previous video. But the thing is that in this model, in the Sichuan A350, this model, JC Wings got the mold a bit incorrect. Because you see the mold of the aircraft, the mold, I mean this front nose section, the shape is not like this in an actual Airbus A350. If you notice carefully, if you notice nicely, if you notice minutely, it's slightly, I mean it's not this much plain. There's a slight, there's a slight edge. So this is the only thing wrong in this model. But anyway, that's a very minor detail, and otherwise the model looks extremely great. You see the model looks great, the livery. So here we have the landing gears and everything. Here we have the Panda and the leaves, and here these Chinese letters, and then Sichuan Airlines. And here is the engine. The engine is also highly detailed, as you can see. Here are the engines and the wings. You see the wings are also highly detailed, and this is the flaps down model. As you can see, the flaps are extended downward, and here's the wing tip with the Sichuan logo. And here is I like this transition from white to red. This color, the fuselage color, and here are some more Panda and some this music symbols and everything. And at last we have the Sichuan logo on the tail. It looks great overall. I really love the livery, and yeah. So B301D or something 30ID, that's the registration for this aircraft. And so here is the side view of our Sichuan A350-900, and this is our front view. They got everything right, the wingspan and the wing tips and the cockpit window shape, everything except the mold of the near the nose, but that's a minor defect anyway. So yeah, and the landing gears are rollable, and there's suspension. The back gears have suspension, as you can see. I think you can make it. It's the back gears of suspension. I mean, you see. So the back gears come with suspension, as in all JC Wings models. And these antennas over the top are there. I mean, of course it's a very highly detailed model, and it's extremely realistic. and here's the back view, and yeah, it's overall it's a great model. And yeah, so now before we end this video, I would like to show you what I mean by the mold is wrong, because if I unbox, if I open the Etihad A350-1000, you can understand exactly where JC Wings got wrong with this Sichuan model. Yeah, so you see the Etihad, first of all, it's A350-1000, so it's a bit longer than the Sichuan. Now the point I'm trying to make is that if you notice carefully the nose of the Etihad, the nose mold, you see it's not coming straight down. First of all, there is a slight edge as in the real model. I will show you from closer. Okay, you can see the difference here. It's a bit bulging outward, and here it's a bit like curved inward, and this is the more realistic one if you notice the actual Airbus A350. And I knew about this defect before buying the model, but still I went for the Sichuan Airlines. Number one, because I really love the livery. Number two, it's a very minor defect. And number three, I really prefer 1/400 scale models of JC Wings. And number four is that I am an Indian, so I bought this model from an Indian website. And because if I go for foreign websites, then they will take a lot of money for delivery and customs, etc. And so yeah, overall this model was convenient, and that's why I went for this model. Even after knowing this. And anyway, this model looks great on display, and it's in terms of detailing and everything, it's great, and it's as you expect a JC Wings 1/400 scale model to be. And as I've already told in a previous video, according to me, JC Wings is the best brand for 1/400 scale models. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you have any comments or any questions or queries regarding the models or regarding anything pretty much, you can comment below. So thank you very much.